What's up, Vechain Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Never miss any second of this video, my friends. Don't miss. If you miss any second of this video, so there is a possibilities to you will lose your money and the Vechain, my friends. So be safe from loss, my friends, and keep watch this video for more details. My friends, first of all, before starting this video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the currently price of the Vechain is 0.109445 USD dollar. That is the currently at this time price of the Vechain in the market. My friends, on the other side, if you look the currently price changes of the Vechain, so at this time the price of the Vechain is completely going down, and there is no hope to the price will pump. Day by day, hour by hour, the price of Vechain is going down. So what should we do in this critical situation? As it is time to buy, is it is time to hold? What should we do this time? My friends, I think you know what, a lot of people also decide to sell. They understand that selling is the best solution of this problem, but no, my friends, selling is not a solution. I recommend for my viewers, my subscriber, that holding is the best solution. My friends, patience is the important part of the cryptocurrencies market. If you have a patience, you will get profit from a Vechain. From any crypto, you will get profit. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. You can see here, my friends, at this time the price chart of the Vechain is completely going down, completely fast down occurring in the Vechain, my friends, and very quick falls down occurring in the Vechain. So you know what, my friends, after a quick falls, there is a possibilities, there is a chances, and in majority cases, after a quick falls, there is a jump. So maybe, my friends, after this quick falls, there is a jump. My friends, I believe that Vechain will take a huge pump in the end of this month, my friends. In the June, the pump for the Vechain is very necessary. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.